Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Move through hip flexion and ankle dorsiflexion to remove restrictions, then do a brief dynamic warm-up. Once done, use neural cueing, posterior pelvic tilt, and imagine squeezing a coin between the cheeks to find the muscle. Now perform 2 sets of 10 glute bridges, holding the top for 2 to 3 seconds. This establishes mind-muscle connection and primes motor units. Make sure to breathe and avoid overextending the lower back while you learn to recruit the glutes. Once you have basic bridges, progress to slightly harder patterns to reinforce recruitment. Do single-leg bridges and banded clams for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, keeping tension and a controlled tempo. Make sure to position a light resistance band at the knees to bias the lateral glute medius. This prevents hip collapse. Then integrate hinge patterns like Romanian deadlifts, emphasizing a deliberate hip drive rather than lumbar extension. These compound movements teach the glutes to fire under load and in functional ranges. You finish by transferring activation into loaded and explosive tasks. During squats and lunges, cue yourself to push the hips forward on ascent so the glutes drive the movement. Use a 3-second descent and an explosive concentric to reinforce power transfer. Make sure to maintain neutral spine and steady breathing. If hamstrings or low back take over, reduce range of motion, pause with an isometric hold at the top, and re-emphasize the posterior pelvic tilt. If problems persist, regress to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.